Hey guys, this is going to be a bit of a walk around video of the CF Moto 450MT. I am out on a test ride at the moment and I thought I would just do an in-depth walk around to show you guys that might be interested. Oh, there's a bit of a smudge there. Some close-ups on the bike and get my first impressions as we go through it. So I've ridden it for about half an hour so far and I'm pretty impressed. There's no real markers of this being like a low quality bike. Like, if we flick it on a minute, you've got the TFT display, super nice, really big, really clear. You can tell that's sort of KTM inspired. All these plastics here, they've been molded with a pattern on them just to give them a little bit more of a higher quality feel. Obviously the KYB front fork looks awesome. The spoked wheels look awesome. And then if we look at the finer details like the engine, I heard one reviewer say that the castings didn't look very good, but to be honest, I don't really know what they're getting at with that, because they mentioned CNC machining. I don't think any manufacturer is CNC machining their engine castings. It just looks like any sort of Japanese engine to me. If it had a Yamaha badge on it, I believe it, to be honest. See the welds on the subframe here. I haven't seen anything so far that I've looked at and thought, oh, that looks super low quality and rubbish, because this is a cheap bike. These are like 5,700 out on the road. I like the little details, like the brake master cylinders, this one and the front one as well. They've got like black tinted, and it just makes it look really high quality and legit. Come over. The standard exhaust sounds good. We'll get onto the sound of that shortly. Rear shock is adjustable on preload, and it's dampening adjustable as well, I believe, as are the front forks, adjustable from the top. Handguards, maybe a little bit flimsy off-road. Yeah, it's got a bit of flex in it there. But what bike comes with good handguards standard? LEDs throughout. Shout out to Bike Treads of Swindon, by the way, for letting me test ride this one. I can't comment on the standard tyres because I'm just not experienced enough and I haven't ridden it enough. All the hardware looks like a really reasonable quality. All the plastics look nice. It's just a really intelligently designed bike, I think. You've got the foldable mirrors that have been mentioned. Not sure how you fold them. Maybe it takes quite a lot of force, but they do fold in. Maybe, I don't know. I'm not going to yank on it, but I know they're foldable. Get a look at little things. LEDs. It's a good looking bike. Adjustable screen, very nice. Notice how accessible the oil filter is in there. It's a nice big one too. Man, it just looks awesome. Let's fire it up and have a listen to it, shall we? All the switch gear looks a really reasonable quality. Listen to that. So those low RPM barks. Sounds absolutely fantastic. Let's switch it off a minute. So I've watched like every video about this bike and I've been filled with info about it. And riding it, I really want to just make my own opinion, which is difficult because I have, read and heard so much about it. But so far I am just, it's everything that I expected it to be. It's really nice. It's set up in the lower position at the moment. I'm about 6'1", and that just means that it's like really accessible. If you want to see my first rider impressions, check out the video. I've got that on the channel as well. But so far, it's just, the paint looks great. It's just a really solid looking and feeling bike. I don't really know what else to say. Look at that. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you want to check out a CF Moto 450MT and you're in Wiltshire, you should go to Bike Treads of Swindon. Really friendly bloke there that I dealt with. I didn't mention any YouTube bollocks or anything like that. I just asked for a test ride and they gave me one straight away. Go and see one in the flesh if you're considering it and test ride one. See what you think. So far, I am mega impressed. Cheers, guys. I will catch you in the next one. Thank you for watching.